Hi, this is Andy Teach, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and we just spent 6¼ hours at the San Diego Zoo. I cannot feel my legs. It is tiring. Now I know why they have 2-day passes. It's $67 for 1 day, $110 for 2, but it's worth it because this is the #1 zoo in the United States and one of the top zoos in the entire world. Why is it so famous, the San Diego Zoo? There's a few reasons. One, it's located in beautiful Balboa Park. It's the way that it's set up, the layout. It's also the upkeep by the staff. It's the breeding program they have here. It's also the conservation program they have here. It's the number of animals they have, and it's also the variety of animals they have. Up to 3 years ago, they had the giant pandas on loan from China here. So we just spent 6¼ hours walking around, seeing almost everything. But it's a long day, but it's a beautiful park, a beautiful zoo. And if you come to San Diego, this is the #1 attraction in San Diego. Without talking any more about the zoo, I want to show you the zoo, show you our day at the zoo, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay, you sit, leave that. Leave that.
I have purple eggs. Forgot about my I have purple.
I'll be right back.
Wait, Mama, what do you want? What do you want? Come on here. Okay. Trying to pull itself off. Come on. Brenda, do you want to?
The lion.
Nice, buddy. Stand up high.
Hello, lion. I'm a friendly lion. Big lion. She's a little bit bigger than him. She's bigger than him, though.
She probably weighs more.
She looks like she does. He's a little taller, but... Hey, look at that tail. He's like, no, guy. I was like, no. She's big, Kiki. Watch me walk away.
I think I've been here 3 or 4 times. This is the first time I'm doing the Skyfari. Oh.
I can see zebra. Oh my god. Oh, wow.
Look, Bobby, that's what you wanted to see.
Zebra. 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 Zebra.
Oh, you gotta take it.
Ну что, кайф? Урок это не прикол. Он подвигает. Пошли нам сейчас наверх.
That's cool. Oh, wow.
Ну что, кайф? Урок это не прикол. Он подвигает. Пошли нам сейчас наверх.
Сань, пойдем.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. You can see the bear up there. No, that's the Andean bear. You can see it. Look at it.
Do you guys need the ergo? What you got to work to?
See the bear? Wow.
All right, nobody.
I'm not.
Are you looking?
Mood. My mood.
Se você entra na rua, eu vou pegar você. Vamos. Stop offering. Vamos.
Bear's gonna have bubbles. Wow. Come on, sweetie pie. Okay, bye, listen me. Okay, come on.
Un oso pardo.
That's a beard.
Hey, this is what we'll see in trouble.
Mira, el señor iba a matar. Ah, sweetie pie. Okay, bye, Mr. May. Okay, come on.
I absolutely hate them. Just like my landlord. They're called poachers.
Yeah.
The poachers go out into the wild, they find the poor rhinos, and they kill them with high-powered rifles. Bang! All they can do, chop off their horns, chop, I'm kidding, and then sell the horns for big fat bucks to the black market. Last time I checked on the internet, and it's admittedly been a while, I know, my bad, but the last time I checked on the internet, rhino horn was going for between, and listen to this guy, you ain't gonna believe this. His horn was going for between $65,000 to $66,000 per kilogram. Yeah, that's worth more than the current market value of gold, cocaine, heroin. And that's all Martin and I know about the last way. We can afford it anyhow. No more questions, please. With that type of incredible demand for rhino horn, come over here, please, couple months.
I have hard-boiled eggs. Forgot about my
I'll be right back.
cheetah.
I think he's taking a nap.
为什么都懒洋洋的那些动物啊？完全可以掏出来呀，完全可以掏出来，完全可以走出来呀。哦，第二个就是那个。完全可以跟野跨过来就可以。对呀，跨去这边搭。
这个爽，我啃。
Tapir. Oh, there's two of them.
刚才在下面看到它上来了。妈妈给你照相。我刚才看妈妈大腿。
Can I look this way? Amazing. Cool. Well, so much is coming back. Look up here. Yeah, that
You look delicious, Ben.
You see that here? Do you see it? Right there.
Oh my lord, so big.
Do you see? Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I can see it underwater. That's huge.
Karina, it's coming to you.
16 hours a day in the water.
16 hours a day.
Aaron.
Beautiful.
How come you showed us?
Ooh, just in time for a
What are you eating? Big Papa.
That's a silverback, I believe. Look at him with his arms are crossed.
Got just in time just to get the bug.
Found out how we get on the bus. It's over there. You want to?